Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and today we are going to be learning how to propagate succulents. So all you'll need is your succulent, possibly some scissors depending on the type, and a small terracotta dish to place your succulents in. Now you're going to take your leaf and you're going to wiggle it around till it pops off. And make sure you have a clean cut, so no strings or any ripping in the leaf. Then you're gonna set it in your dish, and it takes about 3 months to propagate. This is one I've been growing for quite a while. It's the same breed as this one. And I don't know if you can see it, he's getting his little rosette in. So that has been so much fun raising them up. And here are some baby burrows tails I'm growing up. You can see that little brown thing's his root covered in cactus soil. Here's another little baby. So they're doing quite well. I will be doing a houseplant tour in the future, but for now, this is how to propagate succulents. By the way, this is an Echeveria preta. They will be on sale in my cactus store, Cactus Co. It's available online. My website's about to launch, so you just have to be patient with that. But if you are interested in buying one of these plants, I will have the link in the description. So thanks for watching, and bye.